Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the Lcm of fractions. So the formula is that Lcm of fractions will be equal to the Lcm of numerator upon the HCF of denominators. Okay, so Lcm of 5, 11 and 1 is simply equals 11 multiplied by 5, which is 55, and HCF of 30, 42 and 24 we have to find out. Now this part is a bit tricky, so what we have to do is we have to break each of these denominators into the form of prime factors. So 30 can be written as 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. 42 can be written as 7 into 2 into 3, and 24 can be written as 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So as we can observe that only 2 is common in all the three denominators, right? So over here we have 2, 2 and 2. So 1, 2 is common in all the denominators, and also a 3 is common in all the denominators. Okay, so our HCF will become 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal 6. Therefore the LCM of fraction will be equals LCM of numerators, which is equals 55, upon the HCF of the denominators, which is equal 6. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.